Hello, this is John Piper with the Thursday video. It's Thursday the 11th of May. I'm starting with the Dow today. This is the weekly chart. This is the 2009 low where there was palpable fear in the market, which I experienced at the Master Investor Conference that year in March. Now since then we've seen a fairly clear 1, 2, 3, a big 4 here, a bit of a flat correction sort of thing. Now depending how you count this, 1, 2, possible 3 there. There is a bit of, there could be a fourth wave. This could be a fifth wave. Let's go down to a lower level. So what I'm saying is that this would be a 1. We've got 5 waves there. Be a 2. That could be a 3. I mean it's a bit short, a bit small compared to the 4. Sorry, a bit compared to the 2. Then we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. And this could be a fifth wave failure. I've been talking about a failure. So it doesn't seem to be doing what it should be doing to complete that move and take us above that high there. Right, there's the all-time peak so far. Here is the flat correction I've been talking about, and here is a rally that I was expecting. So we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're just faltering around here with a couple of spikes which we've been discussing recently. So there remains the case that we could see the market fail and a major decline starting. Maybe not the major decline, various alternative counts here, but Trump has just sacked the head of the FBI. Head of the FBI was leading an investigation into Trump's election process in the Kremlin. This has been compared to worse than Watergate, and I just seen an article suggesting that this could lead to Trump's impeachment. I mean, if you have an investigation and you then sack the guy who's leading the investigation, it doesn't seem a very sensible thing to do, really. It tends to fuel the idea that maybe there's some substance to that investigation. So I don't know, we'll have to see how that develops, but the market seems basically uninterested at this point, but I'm certainly monitoring the situation quite. Right, on the DAX we have from that low there, A, B, C, a B wave to there, 1, 2, possible 3, 4. So yeah, we could be again on the last legs here, maybe one more thrust up. Looking at the hourly chart, this is a possible 5-wave decline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're getting a sort of extended triangle here. So I guess a breakout of that triangle in whichever direction could be an important thing to watch. And of course getting quite close now, the range is between 12,740 and 12,780. So that could be a good guide to what comes next. Alright, gold. It's a 15-minute chart. I mean, it's the same old. It's made a low. It's retesting the low, but again, really nothing to write home about. We're below 1220, which is one key level. 1200 is a more important key level. We just need to see something happen, really. And the same with the equities. I mean, they're sort of probing higher, but not really achieving very much. And gold is probing lower and doing the same, really. All right, finally a quick look at Bitcoin. This is the last 6 months. In fact, it's almost I bought around here and around 700, so it's probably covered what's happened to well, my experience so far, I guess. Anyway, since this correction here, we've got a 1, 2, could be a 3 to there, could be a fourth wave, but this looks like an acceleration phase, so that may be the incorrect count. No sign it's actually lessening at this point in time. It just keeps on shooting up. As I mentioned, I did buy a number of other coins. I put about £200 into each one. One of these, Stellar, has gone up 10 times. I've no idea what Stellar is actually. I can't find anywhere to. I can't find a wallet to store it in, and it's somewhat bemusing experience. Dogecoin's up 4 times, and they all seem to be up to some lesser extent. Anyway, it's a bit of a phenomenon, I guess. Given that my exposure has always been small, I'm quite happy to let this just sit and run. I mean, Bitcoin went from a few pennies, I think, up to almost $2,000 now. I see no particular reason why the other coins might not do the same. They won't all do that, of course. Many will fall by the wayside. But I would think there'd be 1 or 2 that might equal Bitcoin's achievements. Bitcoin has problems with the blockchain getting too large. That is being resolved, or at least there are solutions being proposed. Newer coins have that already sorted. It'd be interesting to see how what develops, but I think there's no doubt that this will continue. Bitcoin is now apparently the exit method of choice out of China. If you've got cash in China, Bitcoin's the way to get it out, I'm told. Obviously, this doesn't affect me in any way at all. And I think that in this world, it is the easiest way of channeling cash from one source to another. It's widely accepted. And although it has all the factors of money other than stability, in the sense that its value keeps going up and no doubt will go down at some point in time. Anyway, on that note, I'll call it a day. If you found it useful, back to the report weekend. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye for now.